Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 24th, 2021. We're going to give you all an update on Tron, but before I do, as always, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys can see that our price chart is not confusing. We're here to give you all a heads up as to where price is headed, and we're here to tell you the simple way. So if you're interested in our videos going forward, make sure before you go, you hit the like button, share the video, and also you want to subscribe because we're the only place that is giving you all the heads up as to where the market is likely to go by placing the forecast on our price chart. Now, if you all want to see our stock price predictions, you need to head on over to our second channel, HueFin News 2 Stocks. We just recently launched the channel. Just want to make sure that we keep all of the different price predictions into their respective markets. So if you are interested in our stock predictions, make sure you go ahead and subscribe on our other channel, HueFin News 2. So the last time we did our price prediction in Tron was actually on January the 16th, 2021. We talked about it during our lookout live stream session that we do every Saturday. One of our artisan members wanted us to review this particular cryptocurrency, and we did. And you guys can see what our expectations are in the market for Tron. Now, for the time being, since January the 6th, the market in Tron, January the 16th, the market in Tron hasn't been moving at all. It's just been trading sideways, which is not a negative thing, and it is not a positive thing. The market is just stable. So we just need to look at the market in Tron at this time as being stable, i.e. the market can either play either way. We can still see the market in Tron go lower. We can also see the market in Tron go higher. So the prediction that we did in Tron is actually still in play. Right, so let's see if anything changed though, because if so, we'll have to revamp or revise our prediction. So let's look at the market in Tron on the 3-day time frame, and as we zoom in, what do you all see? What do you all notice into the market in Tron? You guys can see that the trend is currently still being obeyed. The trap is still maintaining the price of Tron to trade above that ascending line, which is a positive. We needed to see that in order for our current forecast in Tron to be relevant. So that is one check that we're noticing, that the trap still wants to increase the price in Tron. And let's look at it on the weekly time frame. Here we are looking at Tron on the weekly time frame, and it's a different picture. 7 days of price action, the market in Tron still looks a little weak. It has endured some weakness, and it was able to come back up from that weakness to come right back to where we started. That's what I was talking about earlier in the video, that we can still see this market in Tron trade sideways. And one of the other issues I also see, let me show you, is that this market right here is restriction. So about 0.032 is where the market is finding restriction in Tron. So that is another hindrance that can actually impact the trap from increasing the price of Tron. 0.032. Okay, now let's go ahead and take that away. So everything for the most part in Tron is still in play. The last couple of weeks, the market has just been bouncing in between 2.5 cents and 3.5 cents. So a penny difference. Eventually, the trap is going to make a major decision. Either he's going to break that price to the downside of our ascending line, or he's going to break the price in Tron above that horizontal solid black line. That is what has been going on. He's building up his energy to move the market. So real quick, let's look at the market in Tron on the monthly time frame. You guys can see here that is precisely what is going on. I mean, we've seen for the month of January, we've seen, even though we have 6 more days left, 7 more days, the market has already seen more volume since it has been trading on this Bitfinex exchange paired against the dollar of May 2018. So definitely February is going to be real crucial as to what the market in Tron is going to do. Now, you would have expected the market in Tron on the month of September 2020 to completely go lower, but it didn't do it. So that's why we're still anticipating the strength into the market in Tron to continue. We're not seeing a lot of weakness come through into the market. So we're going to continue to watch the market in Tron. As of right now, we're not going to alter our forecast. We want to keep it the same as to what we talked about on January the 16th. It is still in play. I always want to make mention that we would have to TP the market right there around 0.032. Okay, that area right there is definitely seen as restriction into the market in Tron. But hey, that's still about 5% profitability. You know, you cannot be mad at that because this is literally where the market in Tron has been trading. So we are already in position to see that. Like, we already know that 0.032 is restriction. So we're not going to be surprised when the market goes back down from that particular price because we're anticipating that. Hence why we would TP the market. Okay. So let's go ahead and take this back. So now it's your turn. I mean, what do you all see into the market in Tron? Are you on the same line as we are, or are you seeing something totally different? Because if you are, that's fine. Everyone is open to their own interpretation of price charts. So we have a comment section. You guys can leave the comment right there on this particular video to display and let everyone else read your thoughts as to what you think the market in Tron is going to do. So I would say, where would you expect price to be in Tron over the next 3 weeks? Okay, in 3 weeks, where do you see the price in Tron being at? And don't make it complicated because we're not about that confusion. There's enough confusion already being displayed on YouTube of individuals trying to placate like they understand where the market is going. So don't bring that confusion over here. Just tell us where you expect the market to go and where would you TP out at on price. TP simply means take profit. Where would you take profit? And go find another play. And that's it. So if you all got any questions or comments, you can also leave that in the comment section as well. And as always, make sure you maintain a profitability. Now go and trade different.